Hi guys, my name is Jade Weber and I'm in biomedical engineering here at Purdue, and I'm originally from around St. Louis, and so I'm here to talk a little bit about my experience in the EPICS program at Purdue. So if you don't know what it is, EPICS used to stand for Engineering Projects and Community Service, but they took away that acronym just so non-engineering majors would be more inclined to join the program. And so it is a 1-credit course that translates to a 2-hour lab period during the week, and where you'll be placed in a team, and within that team you'll be working on various projects for various stakeholders. And so the teams kind of vary depending on whatever you're interested or wherever you want to be located in the world, and the projects also vary. And so there's some projects that are more civil engineering, some are more biomedical engineering, and some are kind of a mix of everything. And within EPICS, you'll also have a lot of professional experience as well. And so you'll have mid-semester design reviews and a final presentation design review at the end of the semester as well. And so those are not just your typical class presentation. You'll have different community partners and professional people from around the area actually come in and give their professional opinion. So we had a few employees at the local Caterpillar plant in Lafayette come and actually give professional feedback mid-semester and then again at the end of the semester as well. So you'll be working with a lot of different professionals from the area along with your stakeholder and whatever your project is. So for example, my specific project, I was on the zoo team my freshman year, and so I was working on a donation box that was supposed to be in the butterfly house at the zoo. And so we were working with the local zoo in Lafayette, Indiana, and so because our stakeholder was local, we were actually able to go visit the zoo a few times a semester and actually kind of get their feedback and actually know what they're looking for and talk to them in person. So that was a really great way to actually develop my professional skills in that way. And so because it is a free zoo, they're looking for as much revenue as possible. And so our job was to create a kind of an interactive donation box that would increase donations to the zoo. And so the donation box was shaped like a butterfly, and it also had electrical and mechanical and sound components. And so to build the project, I was actually able to get experience with using a water jet to actually implement the shape of the butterfly, and I was also able to get like coding experience and 3D printing experience as well, just all in my first year at Purdue. I wasn't even in my specific major yet because I did the EPICS program through the first year engineering program where I wasn't in biomedical engineering yet. And so it's a really great way to actually get that, that hands-on, very technical skill experience during my first year, and also develop my professional skills as well, because you are working with a stakeholder one-on-one, and you're actually getting to know them and actually getting to learn what they want out of a project. And so I highly recommend EPICS to anyone that is kind of wanting that extra step and actually wanting that real-world experience that employers love to hear about. So I hope that helped give a little bit of a personal experience about EPICS at Purdue.